We have a floor here. Window on the floor. On the floor. Yes. Excuse me, sorry. On here. I want it here. I want this spot. Facing the window.
No, thank you. I don't know.
Wow.
I don't know. I mean,
Put it on my Snapchat. I should have done.
It's my own decision. Yeah, maybe.
Air conditioning's in here.
Alright, welcome to the Scenic Tower. Bienvenue à la Tour Océane. Pour la formation, on conseille voies ici. This is everyone's first time at the Scenic Tower?
Yeah.
I've been here before.
Alright, welcome back. This elevator right here is a north view of the city of Toronto. At your feet are the glass panels. You can look straight down. We're going to take around 58 seconds to get back down. 58 seconds to get all the way to our stop. We're going 22 kilometers per hour over 15 miles per hour. We're going to reach a height of 1,136 feet or 346 meters. If you have tickets to the Sky Pod or like to purchase them for $15, on the other side of this floor is a white desk where they sell and scan the tickets. That'll take you 101 meters higher or 33 stories higher. The glass floor is one flight of stairs below the one we are stopping on. And the elevators on that floor are the ones you're going to take to go all the way back down to the ground floor to leave the Scenic Tower when you are ready. Watch your step when you exit the elevator and enjoy your view.
Wow. No. Thanks. Okay, we actually. Oh, they're from restaurant.
Have your backpack down, please.
People carrying
Just need a little bit of space over here. Thank you so much. Sorry. Watch it for the door. Welcome back, everyone. Hope everyone enjoyed the views today. Yes? No?
Yes.
Perfect. I like it.
Nice
So some
light.
more view.
Is that at nighttime?
Yes. This is the southeast view of the city. This is where you'll see the Lake Ontario out back. Down below is the Union train station, Jurassic Park, and down straight down is the aquarium. Alternatively, you can look down at the glass panels below to track the progress of the elevator.
Can I see it? Excuse
Is it
me.
everyone's first time at the CN Tower? Yeah. Where's everyone from?
Pennsylvania.
Pennsylvania. Welcome to Canada. You started
California.
in New Jersey. Welcome to Canada. Sorry, where else?
California.
California. Also
Mexico?
Mexico. Many North Americans here today.
American. I'm local.
Local. Welcome to downtown Toronto. Then.
I'm local. I can go anytime.
But you're not from downtown, are you?
No.
No.
West End.
I hear a lot of people from Etobicoke, Brampton,
Mississauga.
Mississauga. Welcome to downtown Toronto. We'll be approaching the ground floor soon. The
I
gift
always
shop will be
wonder.
over to your left. To find the exit, standard marketing practices, gonna go straight through the gift shop. Oh, thank you. Please watch your step when exiting.
Oh, wow. Yes, fit. Keep moving. Okay. The reason we colors change from last year is different than this year.
Sorry?
Last year the colors are not that color.
No?
I used to remember there are all same section from last year, and this year is different.
Oh, really?
Used to be no blue, no purple, no yellow.
Well, they did do a re-renovation.
Okay. Okay, go ahead. Ben. Oh, wow, baseball. Whoa, look at this down there. What? The Blue Jays. We're here during the evening now. First time going during the evening. Where these lineup goes to Sky Park. This place is renovating.
Oh, he hit it. And he's trying to work
Sorry. Bumping people, hate bumping people. There's a lot of people here. It's Friday night.
The only way I'll be looking at one of these condos.
olhando por aí. Já que tem que fazer
Party time. That's just how I think it goes to 11. Post it on Facebook. Excuse me. Yeah, down here, nighttime. What? Start from there.